Bula Fiji, welcome back to Jejemon. I trust you are enjoying the show tonight, our monthly postcard before the break, and some of the shopping attractions available in the old capital of Fiji, Levuka. And once again, a big Vinaka Vakalevu to Patterson Brothers Shipping, our postcards travel partner. Right, time for our monthly feature in the bag. And this month, fashion designer Rachel Fairfax shows us what she carries in her bag. Check it out.
Hi, my name is Rachel Fairfax, and today I will be showing you what I have in my little bag. So the bag itself, it's a Gucci bag. I just got it as a present for Christmas. It was bought in Gold Coast in Australia. Anyway, since I'm traveling, that's why my bag is a very little bag, but it's full of really good, interesting goodies. Okay, so let's see what's in my bag. Okay. Oh wow. See what I mean by little bag but lots of goodies? Lots and lots of goodies. Okay, we should not put it all on me. Okay, so obviously everybody carries cash. They have a wallet, but when I travel with a small bag, the wallet can't fit, so I throw in whatever I can. A couple of my credit cards, driver's license, which is very important. Driving, get caught, and you gotta have your driver's license. Obviously cell phones. Who doesn't have one these days? Everybody here carries a cell phone. Okay, since I'm a fashion designer and I design for Fairfax, obviously my bag will be filled with fashion goodies, right? So most important, Hollywood tape. I never go anywhere without a Hollywood tape. Hollywood tape is so versatile, like anything, like any emergencies, you just stick it on, just pulls everything together. Another one is safety pin. Safety pin is so important to me, You can never tell when you're going to have a fashion emergency, so this is very important. And of course, lipstick. Lipstick, I think, works in so many ways. If you no makeup on and you have an emergency somewhere, you really need to put a bit of makeup. Lipstick, you can use it as a lipstick on your lips, throw a bit on your cheeks, then it becomes a blusher, a little bit on your eyelids, and that's your eyeshadow. Great. And then, of course, a lip gloss. Dry lips because we're in the tropics. Not hydrated properly. This works. Band-aid is the most important one. Shoes, new shoes, old shoes, whatever, or broken shoes, buying new shoes, you might need it for your blisters and stuff. Breath mints. Obviously in the fashion industry, we go out a lot, party a lot, meet a lot of people, always good to have a fresh breath, works. And then these are my little perfume as well. I can never go anywhere without perfume. I leave the house wearing perfume. All my bags has a little mini perfumes. Every single bag. Can never live without perfumes. And showers, two things in my life. These are my new goodies I just bought from MAC in Australia. So, how you have new contouring things and stuff like that? This is not exactly contouring, but this is goodies which you can play around with. So the lighter shade and a bit darker shade. The darker ones is like more contouring shades, and the lighter. So if you don't have foundation on, you can throw a bit of this and mix it up, and it works perfectly well. Alright, and there's your coins and car keys. Oh, and Panadol. Like I said earlier, party, Panadol, next day hangover. That's very important. So it has to be Panadol or Tylenol or whatever works for you. That's it. So, and a bit of coins and whatever. And I think that's all. That's all I have in my bag for you. Till next time. Thank you. That's my bag.
It's that time of the week again, and for some of you, your favorite part of the show, Naughty. My picks for Wear It or Burn It. Designer Robert Kennedy is my choice for Wear It, and this standout piece from his Henikai collection. Don't you just love the color combination in this outfit? I also love the simple styling, the finish, and how the print and pattern of the fabrics are placed so attention is given to the entire garment and not just one section of the wearer. And my burn this week is this piece from Tuariki Wear by designer Fiona Matutu. The reason why I dislike this outfit is because of the large prints that's placed on the bottom part of the dress, because when you have fine patterns at the top part and big prints at the bottom, the dress will expose your hidden curves and will not complement you at all. In case you might have this dress in your wardrobe, do yourself a favor and request a refund. The designer needs more lessons in fashion and design. This week, we flash back to what was Air Pacific and their very stylish uniforms in the 1980s. The uniforms were designed by Tikitogs and the color was a standout, which complemented the look for the Air Pacific livery in those days. Man, did you know that one particular fashion designer has been trying to poach a leading staff member of a thriving boutique to boost sales in their quiet boutique? In fashion, 1 minute you're hot and then you're not. So I guess this designer boutique will be on the not list soon. And that is Jejemon This Week Fiji. I hope you enjoyed our show. For any feedbacks or suggestions, remember you can contact me on email at jejemon@fbc.com.fj. You can also tweet me at the Andy Blake or message me via our Facebook page, and I will get back to you soon. Don't forget to catch me during the week for my fashion tips, and if you wish to star in the show, get in touch, especially if you live outside Suva. You can appear in our new monthly postcard segment that airs monthly, so drop me a message via our Facebook page and I will contact you. Have a great evening and I look forward to your company again next week. Nisamo Demanda.